Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to my garden. Well, when your orchids reward you with flowers, you know that they're happy about the way you've taken care of them. And it wasn't 2 weeks ago that I mounted this Maxillaria tenafolia, also known as the coconut orchid, on this piece of mahogany from Madagascar. And look, it's putting out new roots and new flowers. I'm so excited about that. But today I'm getting ready to repot 2 Dendrobiums. This one, which is a Dendrobium secundum, the flowers are just about finished. I'll wait until they're totally finished before I repot it. And the other is this Dendrobium amethysta glossum. And what I'm doing, its roots are growing to a clay pot. So I'm soaking it in some water in the hopes that I'll be able to extract the orchid from the pot without having to break the pot. The first thing I did was remove all the old hanging wires, and I also mixed up a new batch of potting mix, which is charcoal, clay pebbles, and some lava rock. Now, my dilemma, and I rinsed that really, really well several times. No dust this time. My dilemma is finding a pot that's the right size for the next repotting. Typically on a Dendrobium, they want to be crowded in their pot. So you want to use a pot that's just slightly larger than the previous one, maybe about 1/3 larger. Well, in looking through my inventory, all these pots were relatively the same size as the original, so they really didn't qualify. But what did qualify were these 2 plastic pots. Now, what's nice about a plastic pot is that the light will come through onto the roots from the side, and the roots like all of that light. Now, this is a very deep pot, and I don't want to fill it up with potting mixture that's really just sitting at the bottom. So I put in a filler of corks. Now, another method is to put in a filling of pieces of styrofoam. But I had the corks, and they're very orchid friendly. And if any roots attach to those corks, the next time I pot this into a bigger pot, I can take those corks right along with the roots. So when I go to pot the Dendrobium in these pots, they're so top heavy that I'm going to need to put a stake going across them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little cutter and I'm going to punch a few holes. A hole here and a hole on the other side. So I'll be able to take that rod and go straight across to hold that orchid in place. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So I'm going to do one today, and I'll wait till the other ones finish blooming, and then I'll do that one. And I hope it won't be long before they give me flowers again. Thanks, friends, for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.